So, you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
Dude, I'm ready.
APL looks the least ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready to go.
All right.
I'm ready, 100%.
Sark's absolutely ready.
Yeah.
Diction's definitely ready.
I'm ready.
I knew Diction was ready. So, the Pico House was built in 1870. Shit went down. Basically, as soon as the hotel was built, there was a thing called the Anti-Chinese Massacre. And 19 people were killed in terrible ways.
Dude, that's so topical, Bruce. You're a genius.
How did you tie that together? You are.
I mean, it wasn't meant to be topical,
Right,
but
right.
That's what happened. A lot of people that have worked in the Pico House in the recent years have said they have seen spirits like those people that haunt the Pico House.
Right.
One of the janitors got kicked in the ankle or something.
Yeah, they've had somebody got
The
kicked.
ankle kicker.
Yeah,
They hear footsteps a lot.
Yeah, they hear footsteps. They hear lots of different things.
I saw an umbrella that looked like a classic Halloween ghost.
Yes.
That scared me through the windows. So I'm add that to the list. Yeah, so like our character profiles. Well, Bruce obviously is organizing this whole thing,
Yes,
but as
yeah.
far as Hunter Bruce,
Right.
he is a believer.
Oh,
He is
yeah,
a believer.
100%.
APL
Have you
is a
experienced
believer.
something, or-
Diction is a little bit of on the skeptical side with
I'm very
myself.
skeptical.
Are you full skeptic?
Until
Full
something
send.
happens to me that I cannot explain with science or reason.
Right. And I would also like to add to your dossier, Diction is an expert. While all that said, at ghost hunting, the mechanism of this,
I've watched the
thousands of hours.
Yeah.
Try to ghost hunt.
Sark,
I want it to happen so bad.
but you're a skeptic. Buddy.
Right. Yeah.
Right.
So you're willing to do anything, Ouija board, whatever.
Yep. We'll be doing it later. Mrs. Sark is going to disown me.
Yeah.
This is I saw you staring in the window of the Pico House. How are you feeling?
No, I really feel good. I just need to. This is like being at the end of a diving board, and we've been here since like 3.
Yeah, that's true.
And so it's like I just need to cannonball and get all the water out of the pool.
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's do this. Let's
And
go
I'm
through.
a believer, obviously, just for my.
Yeah,
profile.
APL is 100% a
I'm all
believer,
in.
just like me. I can at least pass.
I mean, this is the Mount Everest. If something happens with this, then
Right.
we are going down in history.
That's it. We've broken new ground. Honestly, we should probably be doing this for a living.
Yeah. Oh, absolutely. Yeah. Some of the greatest evidence ever found.
Yeah, but these are the ghost journals with pens that we've got. We've got the crucifixes, as we saw earlier.
Yep.
There you go. There they are.
It's real. Jesus is real.
That's absolutely real. That's 100% real, and that's going to be in my pocket the entire
Yes.
time.
All right, here we go.
Did you just turn into Mario?
What?
Here we go. Here we go. Time to score ourselves forever.
Get the I mean, this is just like the potential for something looking down at us from on the 3rd floor. Chat. You see that?
Hold on, Sark, get on your tippy toes. I was saying earlier, if it was too late, that we should have gotten him. We should have gotten Sark a belt with like plastic that jutted out, so we could put the gear there, like it like hovers around his waist.
My only crime was dabbing too deep.
You may have dabbed so hard your camera's a little messed up now. You might have to straighten that out a little bit. That's kind of weird. That's actually our truck.
Sorry, what you did. There are a lot of room for activities.
By the way, did you see how big this cockroach is?
We're not looking for bugs. We're looking for spirits. Spirits, we were here. We found it.
By the way, also Black Widow down there. Did you see that? Holy fuck, I'm out of here. Jesus. Fuck that.
Oh, jeez. Chat. I don't like this. Especially they're doing construction over here. That's when you stir up stuff. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Come here. You have to come here, turn the corner and tell me what the hell you see. Turn your flashlight on. I know it, but it's just the shock of it. Go, Sark. What the...
Wait, there's something kneeling in there.
Is it just the shape? Tell me that doesn't look like something out of Left 4 Dead.
What do you got?
What is it?
What do you got?
Oh, it's a bunch of fluff.
It is. It's part of the, but that looks like it was so... That does look horrific.
What? Oh my god.
I just turned the corner and I saw it.
Oh my god, that's the first thing I saw.
Oh no.
That looks like it was set up.
That looks like
It looks like
It's literally just a painting.
It looks like someone praying at an altar.
That is
Without a head.
terrible.
just painting tarp.
Just a painting tarp, okay.
So here's our
So,
witch.
yeah, just a painting tarp.
This from there.
But that, right? Wasn't that genuinely like, what is that? Yeah, that definitely got me for a second. No. No, 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 no. Sark. Okay, that's fucking disturbing when they just block off a whole... Why? What? Okay, well, I'm shutting this then.
You fucking heard that, didn't you?
I 100% heard that.
Okay.
Oh,
they're
that's them.
upstairs.
That's them.
God damn it.
That's them. They're above.
They're fucking above us.
They're above us.
Oh. Okay, I guess we have to get a consistent 5. You gonna sit in there? All right, Sark, sit in the chair. You have your EMF?
Bruce to Sark. Bruce to Sark.
Copy, we hear you guys. Sorry, yeah, we were above you, I believe, on this floor.
Yeah, we heard the pitter patter and we thought there was a ghost child.
That's us, right above you.
Okay, they're above us. You want to keep? You want to move on?
This is Sark, that was us, right above you. Over.
Thanks, Sark. Right. You want to move on?
Okay, this chair will be. We need to remember this. The
Yeah,
chair could
yeah.
be a good place to come back and do
Definitely.
candle stuff.
Do candle stuff?
Maybe even salt circle and Ouija.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll see.
Hold on.
I kind of want to fuck with Scott on the radio.
Go ahead. Why not?
Oh my god. That was the floor. What the? Oh. Okay. All right, Diction. That was the timing of that was. He died.
Okay, that was toxic because Sark literally made the floor squeak and then you did that. That was
Do you think it's open? No, there's no way. You should climb that. There's no way that's open.
And also, there's no way we're supposed to go.
Yeah. I mean,
Hold on, chat. You don't have an angle right now. And we are not supposed to
No,
get there. Do you
there's-
know how I know? There's no guardrails.
oh god.
But I have to go.
Okay, go ahead. Be careful.
Hold on. It's a view of the courtyard. We could hop down on that ledge, but it's kind of not necessary. There's the facade of the front of the building. Okay, I'm coming back down.
Okay. Good job up there. I know, it's hard to tell. It's so hard to tell.
Bruce, do you feel? Bruce, do you feel?
Yeah. Fuck my EMF. Roger, what's up? Everything's fine up here. Thanks for asking. Okay. Bruce is first back to the van again, by the way.
Let's go. Yep, van
Dude,
back.
I don't know. I'm probably just freaking myself out, but I swear
hear
twice
something?
I thought I heard like this. Like a footstep, but
By you on the same level as us?
yeah, like literally like right here when I had my back turned. I don't know. It could be the building settling. I'm not committed.
Camera is weird?
Just gotta go straight a little bit. That should be better for Sark. Did you?
Yeah, I heard that.
That's what I'm
neither
saying.
of
That's
us,
what I've been
neither of
hearing.
us moved.
Nope.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I've been hearing, but it could just be. What?